Hey guys, it's AppGeeker channel and today I have a real treat for you. This video talks about iPhone stuck issues and iOS system repair. So iOS device delivers smooth and seamless performance as well as brings many great features for us, but at times, we're struggling with different kind of issues with iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch, like the device stuck on recovery mode screen, stuck at Apple logo and won't turn on, boot loop flashing Apple logo, stuck in black or white screen, frozen at home screen or an app doesn't respond when you touch on it, and many other unexpected issues and problems. Luckily, those issues can be fixed without data loss and the iPhone will return to normal state. So that's exactly what we're gonna do today. We're going over the best iOS system recovery software solution that you can use to start fix any iPhone stuck issues without data loss right now. Let's get started. The iOS system repair tool we're gonna use here to fix your iPhone is called AppGeeker iOS System Recovery. Alright, to get it, open your web browser on your computer, and search for AppGeeker iOS System Recovery. You can also find its download link in the description section down below. Now, here, we click on this link, iOS System Recovery, troubleshoot iOS system issue quickly. Okay, this is the product page. As you can see, the software can fix stuck issue of iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch. It fixes more than 130 issues without losing any data and get your device working normally again. Look a bit down. It's the download link for Windows and Mac. So you can free download it on either your PC or Mac. Now scroll down to repair all iOS and iPad OS issues yourself, and keep your data intact. As stated, the software can repair many kinds of issues stuck with iOS devices without deleting the data and settings. No matter it's being the recovery mode, DFU mode, Apple logo loop, restart loop, white or black screen of death, spinning wheel screen, freezes, charging off and on, installation issue, device crash, battery drain, not connecting to iTunes, etc., you can easily resolve the problem and get the iPhone back to normal. Okay, go ahead, and as you can see, this iOS repair tool is simple to use and able to fix the issue in just 3 steps. Connect your computer, select a repair mode and download the firmware to get your iPhone fixed. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get started with AppGeeker iOS System Recovery software to fix stuck issue on iPhone without data loss. Here, I take a stuck issue as an example. I'm gonna fix my iPhone and it's now stuck at recovery mode, and I resolve it without losing any current data I have on it. Of course, what I do is a universal guide, and you can take the same steps to fix and get your iPhone or iPad up and running again without any data loss if you're having other issues such as the Apple logo or frozen screen. So first, open AppGeeker iOS System Recovery tool on the computer. At the bottom of the sidebar, click More Tools to get to the main screen. You should see 4 panels here. To fix iPhone stuck on recovery mode screen or other issues, click on iOS System Recovery panel. Next, we come to the introductory screen. You can see that the software categorizes a full list of iOS issues. This means that all these issues can be fixed with this tool. Just simply click the Start button. Now we have 2 repair mode to choose from. Select Standard mode if you don't want to lose your data on the iPhone during the process. For the Advanced mode, it will reset your iPhone to factory settings and completely erase your content while fixing the issue. This is useful if your iPhone lock screen says iPhone unavailable. It requires a reset to unlock. Alright, we choose the Standard mode, and click Confirm button. Go ahead, connect the iPhone to the computer. If the iPhone cannot be recognized because it's stuck on recovery mode or suffering from any other issue, we need to enter recovery mode. Don't worry, it's an easy process and the software guides you do this. When the iPhone is fully connected, you will see a list of firmware on the screen that is matching for your iPhone. Choose the latest one and press Download button. This will take a few minutes to finishes. Do not disconnect the iPhone, and make sure you have a good internet speed so the download runs faster. Once the download of the firmware is completed, all we need to do is hit Fix button and let the program do the rest. This usually takes between 5 and 15 minutes to fix the issue for iPhone and give it new life. Here, you guys take note that you need to register the software. That means you need to buy this software if you'd like to fix your iPhone. Okay, the issue is fixed, and everything is on the iPhone. No data loss at all. Enjoy your device, guys. So a lot information about AppGeeker iOS System Recovery. It's a competent iOS and iPad OS repair tool that can effectively resolve different problems of iPhone, iPad without data loss and without iTunes. Thanks for staying with me. I feel like this video is really an important one. It's really important to you when it comes at choosing a piece of iOS system recovery software that you can use to resolve iOS issues. I will tell you that a good iOS system repair tool should be easy to use, have regular updates, and great ability to fix the iPhone with no data loss. Be sure to leave us a like and a comment or question down below. Subscribe us and see you next time.